In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra is not ringing for incoming calls. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down a bit and tap on Sounds and Vibration. From here, just make sure you select Sound from the top of the screen, because if you either select Vibrate or Mute, your phone will not ring for incoming calls. After that, just tap on Volume on this page, and from here just make sure that the ringtone slider is not on low. If it is on low, you will not hear your phone when it starts ringing, so make sure you increase the slider. Just like that. Now after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on notifications. On this page, just tap on Do Not Disturb. Now if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your phone, just turn it off from here. Also, if you have set any schedule for Do Not Disturb mode, just turn it off from here. After that, just go back to the main settings page. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Hearing Enhancements. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on Mute All Sounds. Now if this option is enabled, just turn it off. After that, just go back and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now if the slider is either on the right side or on the left side, you'll face volume issues on your phone. So make sure you set this slider to the center. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. And from here, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and enter your lock screen PIN. Select Continue, then tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your phone. You'll just reset all the settings of your smartphone to the default Samsung settings, including the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. Now, after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Sounds and Vibration. From here, just tap on Ringtone and make sure that your ringtone is not set on silent. If it is on silent, just select any ringtone from here. Now if you're using two SIM cards on your phone, just do the same thing for each SIM card separately. Just check if your SIM 2 is on silent. If it is on silent, just select any ringtone from here. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.